Recovering a WhatsApp account without access to your phone number can be challenging, but there are steps you can take to regain access. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. If you have not installed it yet, download it from the App Store. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, enter your phone number. If you no longer have access to that number, look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help and select it. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or providing an email address linked to your account. Step 4. Contact WhatsApp support. If you cannot recover your account through the app, go to the WhatsApp support page. Fill out the contact form explaining your situation and request assistance in recovering your account without the phone number. Step 5. Provide alternative verification. If WhatsApp support responds, they may ask for alternative verification methods, such as a new phone number or proof of identity. Be prepared to provide any requested information to help verify your account ownership. Once you have followed these steps, wait for a response from WhatsApp support. They will guide you on the next steps to recover your account. Remember to keep your account information secure to prevent future issues.